Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, certified trainer from Impact Organization and certified data scientist from IIIT Bangalore. Today we will discuss about business intelligence tools and market for 2022-25.
Data visualization and business intelligence job markup job titles. What are business intelligence tools? B tools are types of software used to gather, process, analyze, and visualize large volumes of past, current, and future data in order to generate actionable business insights, create interactive reports, and simplify the decision-making processes. By type: mobile B, cloud B, social B, traditional B. Mobile B. The global mobile B business intelligence market is projected to grow with a striking growth rate of 22% over the forecast period 2019 to 2026, divulges the latest research report presented by Big Market Research. Self-service B market. Self-service B market research reports focus on size, share, growth, manufacturers and forecasts by 2025. Self-service business intelligence is an approach to data analytics that enables business users to access and work with corporate data even if they do not have a background in statistical analysis, or data mining. Cloud B tools market. The cloud business intelligence market is expected to boost in the forecast period owing to the increasing adoption of cloud-based solutions by SMBs as well as large enterprises. Moreover, reduced IT involvement and costs for end users further propel the growth of the cloud business intelligence market. However, data privacy and security concerns may harm markup growth during the forecast period. On the other hand, improvements in machine learning and artificial intelligence offer lucrative growth prospects for the key players operating in the cloud business intelligence market in the future. The state by deployment. On-premises cloud. By function. Reporting, data mining, data analytics, OLA process and text mining, complex event processing, other functions. Geography. North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, Middle East and Africa. By end user industry. BFSI, IT and telecommunication, retail, healthcare, other end user industries. Business intelligence job description guide. Anyone working within business intelligence is integral in developing the vision and overall rationale of a company. Business intelligence will work with various teams within a company to establish priorities and manage expectations with regards to the collection, review and deployment of data. This data is crucial to determining response methods to company performance or external trends that may affect the company. Business intelligence duties and responsibilities of the job. Working with the IT team to launch new hardware and software, creating policies and procedures regarding collating and analyzing data, critically evaluating and screening data, plus profiling to identify any issues, developing new data analysis processes, assessing analytics on an ongoing basis, overseeing the data warehouse, including the collection and utilization of all data, extending knowledge of business intelligence to provide ongoing refinement of processes to improve operations. Business intelligence job qualifications and requirements. A business intelligence job description should highlight a minimum bachelor degree/engineer degree requirement in business domain knowledge. Business intelligence prior work experience in a business intelligence capacity would also be beneficial to highlight. The specific type of skills required for business intelligence will vary depending on the size of a company and its operations. However, any candidate applying should be able to demonstrate a high level of analytic and problem-solving skills to sift through complex data and critical information for the company. Business intelligence job titles. Business intelligence analyst, business intelligence architect, business intelligence consultant, business intelligence developer, business intelligence engineer, business intelligence manager, business intelligence specialist. Business intelligence job titles. Business systems analyst, data warehouse/ETL developer, data warehouse/ETL engineer, director of business intelligence.